Hello everyone. I thought I'd make a quick update video and show you how the bike is in bits, obviously. I'm waiting for some acid to dry to treat the rust. I want to repaint that side next with a bit of black paint just to preserve it and make it look nice, because in August we will have the DIY EV meetup at the TOG Hackerspace in Dublin. And at the end of August, the Open Inverter Forum will present their vehicles. Everybody who is near Dublin, I'll have some slides from other people on the forum as well. And we'll have a few guys there on site on both days. We'll see how successful that will be, but I expect to be talking a whole lot the 2 days there. Should be a nice event. And we'll have plenty of space at the Leopardstown Racecourse. Few repairs, but the big change is, maybe since the last video, the charger is on board. So I just have German Schuko plug. I have an adapter for that if I ever get stuck somewhere. The small 4S battery instead of the big one, and the DC-DC converter. At some point I'll probably switch to a different battery chemistry, either LFP or the sodium ion that battery has. Very nice. Little repair there to the USB to serial converter, so I can program the bike so the kids can play with the throttle at the Dublin Maker and rev the bike while it's on the axle stand. So I hope I'll see some of you at the Dublin Maker or the Hackerspace, and have a nice summer.